In this tutorial, we'll walk you through how you can download Facebook Reels. If you find this video helpful, feel free to like the video and subscribe. There's a couple of ways to download Reels depending on whether it's one you're currently creating or one that's already been posted. If you're creating a Reel, first load into Facebook, go to the camera section to access the Reels page and tap the camera to begin recording. After recording, make any edits that you want and tap next in the bottom right. To save the reel, tap the file icon in the bottom left and then select download. The reel will be saved to your device. If the reel is already posted to your Facebook, tap the profile icon in the bottom right of the app. At the top, select videos and scroll to find the reel that you would like to download. Tap the reel, then press the three dots in the bottom right corner and tap download video as that menu appears. A pop-up will confirm that the video has been downloaded, and that's it. If you like this video, remember to like the video and subscribe for more tutorials.